U.S. President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, will plead not guilty to federal gun charges, his attorney said in a court filing on Tuesday. The 53-year-old was criminally charged last Thursday for allegedly making false statements when he purchased a gun and possessing a firearm while using illegal drugs at the time. The new charges came following a collapsed deal between the prosecutors and Hunter Biden in July, in which he would have pled guilty to 2 misdemeanor text charges and enrolled in a program to avoid prosecution on the gun charge. Hunter Biden is the first child of a sitting U.S. president to have been criminally indicted. The indictment came as he sits at the center of a political maelstrom.
Joe Biden deserves impeachment.
Last week, House Republicans have launched an impeachment inquiry into Joe Biden related to Hunter's foreign business dealings during his father's tenure in office under the Obama administration. They have so far presented no evidence showing that the elder Biden profited from his son's businesses. The White House has denied any wrongdoing. Hunter has long been the focus of unrelenting attacks by former President Donald Trump and his Republican allies. Trump will likely go against Joe Biden in a rematch in the 2024 U.S. presidential election.
It turns out Hunter Biden has a mugshot. Back in July, when Hunter first appeared in court, his lawyers say he was photographed and fingerprinted. Now, primetime sources tell us that federal inmates rarely have their mugshots released to the public, only in cases where the federal inmate escapes. And a leak would be very unlikely. The U.S. Marshals have a rigorous digital footprint. So, what is so special about a mugshot that they don't want us to see? Did he smile? Did he look defiant? You know, in light of transparency, this mugshot must be released. Primetime has put out a Freedom of Information Act request with the Department of Justice and the U.S. Marshals to have Hunter Biden's mugshot released to the public.
First of all, my son's done nothing wrong. I trust him. I have faith in him. And it impacts my presidency by making me feel proud of him.
By the way, this thing about a gun, I didn't know anything about it, but it turns out that when he made my application to purchase a gun, what happened was I guess you get asked, you get asked the question, are you on drugs, you use drugs? He said no. And he wrote about saying no in his book. So I have great confidence in my son.